Well, here's me and Anthony sitting down trying to watch some TV here. But the guy who does never snores over here, just whenever snores, making it a little difficult. Record for another 40 seconds. But if you collected all the rock outputs, have enough to build something about the guy who never snores. Really? On the surface of an asteroid and not be able to see them because they'd all be so far away they'd be too faint. But that doesn't mean there aren't that many there. It's cutting down the whole enchanted forest. Don't stay there. Every so often, asteroids bump into